Do you want to know how to use a Mediterranean diet to lower cholesterol? I've worked with so many people living with high cholesterol, and you'll be surprised at how many people tell me the moment they're diagnosed, they stop eating a bunch of foods. But the reality is there's a whole universe of foods out there, and it's about picking the ones that are going to be beneficial and having more of those. So that's what this video is going to be all about. My name is Angel, and I've been a registered dietitian for over 10 years. There's so much material to cover that it's hard to fit it all in just one video, so this is going to be a 4-video series, okay? So what are we going to have more of? We're going to have more whole grains, more vegetables, definitely some fruit. We're going to have more plant-based proteins, and if you have animal proteins, then choose leaner cuts, choose red meat less often, choose fish at least twice a week if it's possible, and then also aim to have more liquid vegetable oil, so healthier sources of oil. So how do you put it all together? Imagine your main meal as a plate or a big bowl. What you can do is divide up that plate into sections. Make half of it vegetables and fruit, a quarter of it whole grains, and a quarter of it your plant protein or lean protein, lean animal meat, or your fish. But what about the dairy? If you're having cow-based dairy, then definitely choose a lower milk fat percentage. Milk products actually have a percentage MF. Sometimes in really tiny print, so you'll have to watch for it. But it's something as simple as switching from whole milk to 2% to 1%, and some people don't mind skim. But if you're drinking plant-based milks, that's your way of having two things completed with one task. So it's incorporating that inclusion of more plant-based proteins, but at the same time having that lower fat dairy alternative as well. As for the healthy fats component, how are we going to integrate that? Lots of people think that you should reduce fat intake when it comes to high cholesterol levels, but the reality is actually the Mediterranean diet have a total higher percentage fat intake than other heart healthy diets that may be prescribed or suggested out there. Why is that? Because heart healthy foods such as nuts and seeds and fatty fish, all of those foods contain healthier fats, unsaturated fats that actually promote greater heart health. So the latest research is telling us that it's not really about the total amount of fat that we consume in a diet, but rather the quality and the source and the type of the fat that we're choosing to put in. I really hope that part 1 of 4 in this series was helpful. Please like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time.